Okay, welcome everybody to today's lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. Today we are studying can and can't. Can is positive, can is positive, and can't is negative. So remember, with can and can't, we don't use don't and doesn't to make negatives. We don't use don't or doesn't to make negatives. We just use can't. So we use can and sometimes can't when you ask for something. Maybe in a shop, maybe in a restaurant. So maybe you are in a restaurant and you sit down at the table. And the waiter, a waiter works in a restaurant, the waiter comes to you and you say, can we see the menu? Can we have the menu? Or can we see the menu? Or can we read the menu? All correct, all the same. Can we have the menu? Can we see the menu? Okay, then the waiter gives you the menu. He gives you the menu and you look at the menu. You look at the menu. This is my menu. I look at the menu, I read the menu, and I say, can I have a chicken sandwich? Remember, can I have infinitive after can I have? And remember, not I can, because it's a question. Can I, not I can I have a chicken sandwich? Now, sandwich is 2 pieces of bread. 2 pieces of bread with meat or fish inside the sandwich. So chicken is an animal and it's the one with wings, which goes bup, 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 bup. That's chicken. So can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Don't forget, please and thank you, because you want to be polite. Polite people say please and thank you. So can I have a chicken sandwich, please? Okay. And the waiter, the man who works in the restaurant, the waiter gives you a chicken sandwich. Okay, a chicken sandwich. Now, maybe you don't like your table. And you speak to the waiter and you ask, can we sit next to the window? We don't like this table. Can we sit next to the window? We don't like this table next to the toilet. We want to sit at the table next to the window. Okay, so you ask for something. You say, can we sit next to, don't forget, oopsie daisy, don't forget next to, it means next to the window. The window is here, you are here. Can we sit next to the window? Okay, now before you go to the restaurant, maybe you phone the restaurant, maybe you call the restaurant because you want to ask for a table for 4 people, or maybe a table for 6 people, or maybe a table for 2 people, maybe a romantic meal for 2 people. And you say on the phone, you say, hello, can I book? Now, book here is a verb, not a noun. We have book can mean book. This is a book. But book can mean reserve when it's a verb. Can I reserve a table for two? Can I book a table for two, please? Yeah, can I book? Can I reserve a table for two, please? A table for six. So when you call on the phone, say, can I book? Or can I reserve a table for four, a table for two, a table for six? Okay? Now, after you eat in the restaurant, maybe you have a credit card, but you don't have cash. Yeah, you don't have cash. There's my cash. There's my 100 rubles. Yeah, cash. Maybe you don't have cash. Maybe you only have a credit card. Yeah, a credit card. Like that. Yeah, maybe you only have a credit card. And you are